Hey Freedom Grills, just letting you know that we now have specific screws for the SCS Carry now in stock. Our regular M4 screws that fit into the EPS Carry and 407K and 507K have a slightly longer head than what will fit on the SCS Carry. For example, it sits at the top here instead of being flush like it should on the other models. So these new screws have a smaller diameter head and everything sits nice and flush. You would need these specific screws if you're installing the SCS Carry on something like the Glock 43X, for example, because the screws that come with Holosun are 12 millimeters. They are too long. So if you install the SCS Carry with the screws that come with Holosun, they will not sit down all the way. Or if you decide to use the regular M4 screws on an SCS Carry, you will see that as you install it, it will do damage to the side. Get your SCS Carry screws at freedomgrilla.com.